Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Marissa Fashionista 101. And today I'm going to be showing you how to style a vintage blouse. It is the super cute pastel like bowling looking shirt, but I thought it was really cute and I only got it for $1 at this local thrift store down the street. So let's go ahead and show you how it looks. Okay, so those are the 5 different ways, and I had so much fun making this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. So you guys all have a great night, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!